Welcome to MS Excel Dashboard Demo. An interactive dashboard is a data management tool that tracks, analyzes, monitors, and visually displays key business metrics while allowing users to interact with data, enabling them to make well-informed, data-driven, and healthy business decisions. Microsoft Excel is an excellent tool to make powerful dashboards that can provide analysis, insight, and alert managers in timely manner. The demo dashboards are inspired by and based on the data retrieved from Minda Tracy's online training blog. These interactive dashboards are created using the built-in capabilities of Excel, like Power Pivot, Power Query, some advanced Excel functions, and a bit of conditional formatting, without any add-ons or any other software. When your data changes or you receive new data, updating your dashboard is super easy and matter of minutes. Always wanted to develop an interactive dashboard? We can help you up your skill level. We can train you or your team to develop the dashboard you have always desired. All our trainings are live, online, and fully interactive. We can also help you design and develop a dashboard suitable for your organization and decision support requirements based on your data. We are just an email away.